Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve blocked account on Facebook app. To know how to fix or how to solve blocked account on Facebook app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will enter to Facebook and you can click. Here in this page of app info you will search about, or you will go to first stop. Here you can click on this sign of OK. Then you can click on storage. After that you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.